Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt Croissant over at Kia of Columbia, giving you some information on the navigation system for the Kia Telluride. Now, I normally don't have the camera turned around, but there's a first for everything. So, got a comment on one of my Telluride videos asking for an explanation of the navigation system. So, we're gonna hop in my Telluride and navigate ourselves over to one of the gas stations here in town. Stay tuned. All right, folks, we are currently in the Telluride. We're not gonna be doing any wide angle on this one, just so we have some focus on the 10.25-inch head unit that is, big hiccup, now standard on all Tellurides, and also giving us the ability to see the drive display just a little bit better as well, because the drive display on the LX is a little bit smaller than what you would see on the SX, for example. Otherwise, it will be the same size for the rest of them. So, hopping over here, got our AC on. It's a whopping 99 degrees out today, and I feel like that's an underestimation with the humidity level that we have here. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to hop into our navigation menu. And conveniently, I already know I want to go to a gas station. So I'm going to go to POI categories, gas stations, and there is the break time that I would like to head to. And you can see you have a lot of other choices here. So we're just going to go with the short one, because either way it's going to provide all the information that we need to make this happen. So we're going to choose break time. Okay. All right, and then from there, set as destination. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start guidance. It's showing us the, at the recommended routes, any alternate choices. This one's a little bit shorter, so just, straightforward point blank. You can add other waypoints if you want to. We can also minimize this over here so we have more screen here. You can also go to route avoid options. We can avoid toll roads, freeways, ferry points, any carpooling lanes as well. This is more particular to people up in, like, say, the Virginia and DC area. You guys have some crazy highways up there. Not jealous of you by any means. And then you can recalculate that. So we're just going to go back here and we're going to start our guidance. As soon as that happens, on screen here, our fuel range is moved from the center over to the left-hand side, and we've got this nice little checkered flag. Now, what can we also do? We can use our navigation screen. You can see we've got a couple options here. It's showing us the final destination point, our arrival time, and how far away we currently are. And then we have our turn-by-turn information. So from here on the map, we can see exactly where we need to go. And I am going to go ahead and navigate with you guys. Let me go ahead and get my seat adjusted. This is the first time I'm actually driving my Telluride. So let's go ahead and put her in reverse here. Check out the backup camera real quick. Once you get used to these, it's just second nature. I can just look at the backup cam, check my peripherals on, also ready to drive forward here. That's going to stay on for just a second for me as well if I wanted to parallel park. That's one of the features you can actually control in the settings here. So what are we seeing now? This is showing us which direction to go towards our turn-by-turn navigation. It's telling me where I need to go to actually navigate here. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Props to your boy for the angles here. Now we just need to get over 5 miles per hour, and that backup camera is going to turn off for us. Maybe it's 10, because I've already exceeded 5. Checking for traffic. Okay. And we're off. Now we can see this is showing me exactly where I need to go. Maybe we have some navigation volume here as well. It's a little quiet for now, but you can see it's already zoomed out on the map. It's showing me the speed limit on the road that I'm currently on, 35 miles per hour. We can see over here as well. It's showing me the full distance, as well as if I had to make another turn or anything in this box, it's showing us that how much distance I have until I have to make that next turn. And then from here, if I had an extra hand, we can change the viewing angle over here, change the navigation volume, zoom in or out, choose the automatic zoom out level as well. So, you know, pretty simple, but you know, I'm really happy to show how this works and how easy it was for me to figure out where I want to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. We're actually just going to be pulling up to the gas station here now. We're about 400 feet away. As you can see, slowing down, it zooms back in. So the map is also speed dependent too, which is pretty cool. So we're about to show up here. Got some tight parking in here, but no worries. And we are at our destination, folks. So I just need to find some open parking here. In the meantime, we're gonna pull up behind one of these cars here, but we're at our destination now. So the turn-by-turn info turns back off, and it's ready for your next command. So hopefully this was everything that you were expecting, and I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off here because I can't find a spot. So I'm gonna focus on what I need to do here. Guys, this is Matt Croissant, Kia of Columbia. Thank you so much for your time. Hopefully this information was helpful to you, and the nice lady who requested this information, I'm gonna go dig through the comments and mention you in here so you can check this out. Let me know how I did. Make sure you like and share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment if you have any compliments or questions about the information provided to you today. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of the vehicles we're uploading to this channel for your informational and shopping needs. Thanks so much, guys. Matt Croissant, Kia of Columbia. Hope you're having an awesome day.